Good Thursday afternoon, everybody. Here's another look at the weather patterns over the next couple weeks. Want to start out with the North American model. Let's get right into it. This is at 75 hours out. Sunday morning, you can see the low pressure system over Michigan. Again, we've been chatting a little bit about a storm possibly impacting us, the 15th, 16th area. Looks like that's going to happen this weekend. All rain for you on the 16th. You can see that thick blue line extending through New York and back on through Michigan. That's your rain snow line. Not looking for any wintry weather from this one, just a little bit of light to moderate rain. Let's go ahead and switch models now. This is the GFS. This is one of our better medium range models. I like it through about a week out. So here it is at 90 hours. This is Monday, early Monday morning and late Sunday night. You can see that your low pressure system starting to get going down in the south there. That's going to be the next storm that we talk about. This one looks to slide out to the east. Again, it looks like just a few storms going to impact us over the next week or so. So let's step further ahead in time and see what happens with that storm. This is next Wednesday, December 19th. This is around midnight Wednesday morning, and you can see that the low pressure is actually ejected out to sea. And you'll see that not much precipitation over our area, but it would be cold enough for snow. I think what's going to happen is, and you've seen this time and time again with this GFS model, is it's always biased too cold. I think that this low pressure is going to be a little bit closer in and we're going to see more of an impact. We'll see what some of the other models have to say next. Let's go ahead and take a look at the European model at 144. The European's a little bit slower with this storm. You can see that that very dark, or that very bright green, light gray area, that's where your low pressure is. That's where your upper level low pressure system is over Alabama, South Carolina. That would be conducive to more precipitation. And let's now take a look at the ensemble mean, which is a bunch of different model, or a bunch of different conditions for the same model run at the same time, and you can see that the storm is still there. So again, I like this sort of situation, a sort of Alabama, Georgia to about 50 to 100 miles off the coast of the United States, giving us pretty significant amount of rain. But I think that it does escape over a day or two. It may get locked or it may get stuck around New England, but I think we will be in the clear. And then let's actually switch angles and go to 216 hours. This is the ensemble mean for the European as well. And it's actually showing another storm to impact us around the 21st and 22nd time period. But it's interesting to note that while the ensemble mean is showing this storm, it is not being shown on any of the other models. The European operational, which is your deterministic run, that's just one run of the model. This is 51 different members. And take a look. You can see that that very bright green area over the eastern United States, that's towards the bottom of your image, that's your low pressure system. The big red area to the north of it, that's your block, that's your Greenland block, that's helping to keep the storm in place so that it doesn't shoot out to sea. And you'll also notice another trough there on your west coast. Remember, now that that trough is starting to slide off a little bit to the west, this model run makes a lot more sense. However, we're still not seeing an abundance of cold air, so this might also be another chilly rain situation if it were to come true. All right, so that's a look at the weather picture for your Thursday afternoon. Hope you enjoyed listening to me, and it looks like I went a little bit shorter than yesterday. Have a good one.